Okay, I received an email asking me about this circuit right here. 24 volt AC source, a resistor, and then a 0.6 Henry inductor. So what's the reactance of the circuit? You would have to take the 0.6 Henrys, run it through the inductive reactance formula, XL equals 2 pi FL, and use 60 hertz as the frequency to come up with a reactance. The resistance is 50, so the impedance of the circuit is 50 plus whatever the reactance value is, I, in ohms. But I was asked how you would simulate that in SPICE. So here I am in SPICE, and I want to simulate this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my edit simulation command, and I'm going to select AC analysis, and I'm going to select a list of frequencies, and I'm only going to put in one frequency, and that will be 60 hertz. So AC signal analysis list 60 hertz, and you should have this down at the bottom, .AC list 60. Okay, and then I've got to put that somewhere in my circuit here, and now I can run it, and I'll get a little results window. And if I move it down here in the middle, then you can still see the circuit. Okay, so it's telling me the voltage at node 1, which I didn't label the node, so this is probably node 1 because the voltage from here to ground is 24, which is the power supply. And the voltage from node 2, which is probably this line to ground, is 23.43 volts. Okay, now notice this voltage has a phase angle. And then you can look at the currents through L1 and R1. They're both the same. It looks like it's about 104 milliamps, and it's got phase angles. And incidentally, this angle is 180 degrees from each other, so they are the same current. And then this is what the device is sourcing. So that would be how you'd come up with the numbers. Now these are polar answers. So the magnitude is this first part, magnitude, so 0.104. Phase is the angle, 102. So when LT Spice does an analysis, it gives you gives the results to you in polar. And of course you could go to the spreadsheet and convert them to rectangular if you need to. That doesn't really answer the question I asked though, but it does show you how to analyze an AC circuit in LT Spice, and I thank you for watching.